short-lived.
Yeah.
Cold. Oh.
No, give that to Steven. That's Steven's one.
Alright, we're recording.
No.
Whoa. Nope, watch out. Watch out, Tyler, stay. Stay, baby. Okay, out we go. Out we go with water balloons. Hit the guys. What? Oh, you throwing knives? There's the grill, finishing smoking from our lovely meal.
I see the water.
Okay, so that didn't go as well as planned. So where are my shoes?
Where they all at? Yeah, where they all at?
They're all hidden. We're smarter than that. Okay. Now everyone watching the video gets to help me find my shoes. There they are. I kicked off my shoes while I was running and I didn't know where they were. Thank you, Steven. Okay. There's Robert, Caden, Steven. Hi, Steven. Alex. There goes Heaven. And Tala and a little neighbor boy whose name I don't know. Alright, you be careful, baby. You're going down good and slow. That's very good. There.
Oh, hi.
Did we get Justin?
No.
Sorta.
No.
Sorta.
Yeah, right, like a raindrop.
Here you go. Ha-ha. Here you go. Go pop it over there.
Don't throw it at me. Don't throw it at the dog either, Alex.
Like water. Back on, you guys. Hold on. There's only water in the bucket. There's only water in the bucket. I'm gonna pour it on you. Pour it on you.
You gonna break it, Alex?
No, I'm not going to.
Hold on. That's all we have, sweetie. We have a whole bunch of them. Davey's all freezing. That's his last one, sweetie.
Alex, break it.
We'll buy some more tomorrow. Don't sit down, pal. I'll throw this whole bucket of water.